What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Let me turn this down before I get demonetized, basically, or get claims. How you guys doing today? Thank you for coming back to the channel. Do me a favor, just hit that like button down below just to support the channel a little bit. I'm trying to grow this. I have a lot more plans coming, but I need to take some time to just set some funds aside to really fund this kind of dream that I have for YouTube. So I want to start off by saying rest in peace Chadwick Boseman. It shocked a lot of people who are considered your fans, and not even just your fans, basically just everyone is really shocked, because it's just showing how much we take life for granted. To us it appears that everything's okay, but he kept it to himself, basically, and his family. It finally caught up with him, and it took him away. So I really just want to give him the respect that he's deserved. Again, rest in peace Chadwick Boseman, and my condolences to his family. So let's continue the video. We are going to Pfaff McLaren. So Pfaff is a luxurious dealership, not just one, multiple luxurious dealership. So I decided to grab my cousin and say, hey, let's go check this out. You know, we're young aspiring men that want to still immerse ourselves in that culture. The car culture is kind of going all over the place right now. It's still very much a thing, but it is definitely endangered with a lot of the craziness going on. SocialMedia.com live, and it's in its beginning stages. I did it all on my own. Not saying like I'm the greatest at this kind of stuff, but I just decided, hey, enough's enough. We need somewhere to have a central hub for us, and that's why I just pulled the plug and I just created it. Squarespace does a great trial run where you can literally do the entire website up within 30 days or something like that, and after that 30 days it just cancels and you have to pay for it. So that was kind of like a kick in the butt for me. That way it motivates you more to push your stuff out there and get it live and start working. So thank you Squarespace for that. But anyways, that's awesome. Let's get going. One day. So, oh, morning poppies. Ooh, I gotta get that gas, that good gas. Looks like it's gonna be a messy day today, but I'm not gonna let that stop us. Hopefully this event is taking place indoors. I would assume so. They have a lot of property. Of course, the Timmy's line is deezed as usual. Honestly, I love this car and it's cool, and I want to build it. I do want to build it. It has a lot of potential. It's pretty much ready to do some crazy stuff to it, and it has 135 kilometers on the dash, which is a good range to start doing things still. There's a lot of life in the K series motors. We'll see what happens. I don't know yet. What do you guys think? What do you think I should do? Just focus on the girls having their comfort. Occasionally I'll take it out for a spin or two if I'm going to far events like the one I'm going to today. But what kind of SUVs out there are good? I kind of want a panoramic roof. I kind of like styling. I like X3s and stuff, but no. Got all these nice cars here. This Honda. You don't see this every day. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at that vent. Wow. Aerodynamic. There's my favorite right there. High-end luxury everywhere, man. What's going on? First, you know, I gotta come by my faves, GT3s.
What do you guys think about this color? I like this color a lot. It's different. I don't know if you guys have seen these cars before, but they're a lot bigger in person. Seemed a lot smaller to me before, but it's huge. Look how dope this setup is. It's like perfect just for this car alone. Probably got some watches and hats and stuff over there. That's awesome. So we'll get some footage here. Alrighty. So we're in like the mechanics bay area, service bay. This is super clean, super clean. There's another angle that you can get of the Zonda over there. This is nuts. Super thorough. It's my first time seeing underneath a McLaren. Look at that, pretty much sealed off. That's crazy. Wow. So you're seeing a little bit of everything in here. Porsches, Ferraris, there's a Lambo, Mercy over there. Crazy. Just too many details not to show you guys, so that's crazy. These are newer McLarens that you can purchase and stuff, so. This is a 620R. Not too sure. I gotta play my Need for Speed and stuff like that more, so I can learn these cars. That's it in there, so we'll go check that out. Hello. Good, how are you? Having fun? Lots of people. 600 LT. Another Senna over there. Alright. I don't know if this is what's the new one or what. Yeah, so this is the 765 LT. So they're letting people sit inside. I think I'm not gonna sit inside. just in case. 765 LT. So I'm 6'2", and feels pretty comfortable. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a pretty slim guy, so I probably move around a little bit in the seats, but it's pretty good. That kind of hugs your finger. Even if you were a bigger person, it would look much. It'd be nice. Pedals feel kind of cool. They're so soft, so soft. Wow, 0 of 765. That's crazy. Damn, this is a nice piece of machinery. I can't even really do my review on it because I'm kind of speechless. Trying to enjoy the moment. Wow, a really aggressive front end. Got all these little details here. There's a light hiding in there. That's kind of cool. I feel like if you drove this a lot, there would be a lot of buildup in that area there. But I mean, aerodynamics is life. Look at this aggressive splitter here with a little camera down there. That must be expensive to replace at the brakes. Then a door here. What was the point of that? Alrighty guys, so this is some of the people that are coming here to see the show. Some of their cars. Corvette rolling by. And 3 boys. So this car just got a lot of shots on. I love this. Look at the plate. Yo. Remember seeing this guy at the track. Went to the go-karting stuff. Can you guys explain how the hell this gear shifter works? Let me zoom in for you. More pics of this Corvette here just because I don't have any in the roster, so I'm gonna check it out and then we're gonna hit it up and head back. Yeah, just gonna relax, get something to eat. I don't think I've eaten for the day, so it's time to fuel up now. Maybe later do some boxing, we'll see what happens. But I'm letting the car cool down a bit because it just got a really aggressive drive in, so letting it cool down a bit. The fans are going like crazy, so